Here is a simple reminder of your basic crochet stitches and how their heights change from one to the next. We start with 2 slip stitches. Then 2 single crochets. Next, 2 half double crochets. Two double crochets. And now 2 treble crochets. And finally, 2 double treble crochets. Each step adds a little more height to your work. If you like to learn how to make each stitch, you can find the full tutorials on my page.